Hey there! Pressure washing and mobile detailing look simple until you're quoting off the top of your head and wondering where the money went. Let me walk you through this business tracker, tab by tab, so every job is priced and logged properly. Start on settings. Your business details, hourly target, and default rates go in once and drive the pricing everywhere else. Service menu is your price list, driveways, decks, roofs, and full details, priced by size or by hour so quotes stay consistent. Quote Builder turns that menu into a real number for a specific job in seconds, including travel and any add-ons. The job tracker logs every job you complete, the client, the service, what you charged, and whether you've been paid. Client list keeps addresses, contact details, and job history, so repeat customers and follow-ups are easy. Income and expenses captures the money in and out, fuel, chemicals, equipment, and insurance, all categorized for tax time. Equipment log tracks your machines and their service intervals because a seized pump on a Saturday costs you a weekend. And the dashboard shows revenue, expenses, profit per job, and which services actually make you money. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.